Hi, this is your friendly teacher, Miss Lee, and today I'm going to show you how to access the Merced Bus Line public transportation, the bus. Okay, once you use any browser, you could go to any browser you choose, Google, Firefox, Edge. Okay, you're going to type in www.mercedthebus.com. Once you get to the website, it should look something like this. Okay, so this is the home website. It'll give you some information about them, gives you some schedules about the cities that it runs through, some public notices, buses and fares, just writing general rules and some information about riding the bus, and help me find. Okay, so if you lost your sweater there, you lost your cell phone, hopefully that doesn't happen, you could go to this page to give you information about it. Okay, so first I'm going to take you to fares. Okay, it'll show you that most of the bus rides are $1.50 if it's local, and anywhere else, around there, it'll be $3. Again, the paratransit is $3 or more, which includes Atwater, Merced, Winton areas, and $6 for any city or community to another. Okay, so that's not too bad compared to an Uber ride or a taxi or something different. So there's the fare, the passes and fares. Okay, I also wanted to show you the routes and schedules. So once you click on routes and schedules, it'll take you to a site that looks like this. If you click on it, it'll open to a big PDF of the map of the different routes. Okay, and they are labeled for you, like M1 for Merced, Atwater is A, Livingston is L, Los Banos is LB, etc. and so forth. Okay, so there are different places that it'll take you. It'll take you to Turlock, Delhi, Livingston, okay, Augustine, Dos Palos, Los Banos, Planada, and La Grande. Okay, if you think about it, Los Banos and Turlock is about roughly around 30 minutes away, so that's not too bad, for the bus to take you there and back if you need to. Okay. There's the big map. You could also see the bus live and where it is or how much longer you're waiting for it. So it does track it, and you can get the app, which is, I guess, called alerts or whatever it is. So you could see where the bus is, just to make sure that if you're, to see how far away you are from it. So you could get that information. This is the trip planner, and then usually the trip planner is on the bottom. Now let's say that you want to get from Merced College to the mall, to Merced Mall. Okay. It'll take you to Google Maps. Once you click on Get Directions, it should take you to Google Maps. Okay, there it is, and it'll give you some live time there, and it'll give you some suggestions of which lines to take. So you want to take the M2 line and the M3 line. Okay, so it'll tell you it'll take about 32 minutes to get from point A to point B. So it does plan your trip for you. So once you're in Merced, again, this is the weekend schedule. They do have a weekday and a weekend schedule. So you could take about 5 minutes to walk, if you're right at the home part or the administration part of 3600 M Street, it'll take you about 5 minutes to walk to the nearest bus stop. Once you're there, you take the M2 line. Okay. And then they'll drop you off at the Loughborough Drive and at the Village Meadows Park. You walk about another minute to the Loughborough Village Meadows again, and then you take the transit to the Glen Apartments, and it'll take you about 4 minutes. You'll take about 4-minute walk to the mall. Okay. Now this trip did cost $3 because you had to take 2 different lines. This is a weekend again. This is a Saturday trip, so if you're taking it during the weekday, it might be less expensive. Every ride you take, it'll be $1.50. Again here, it'll be $1.50 for this one and $1.50 for the next one. Then for the most part, during a weekday, it'll probably just take you one trip. Okay, but it does give you a live view of the trip. Okay, I'm going to go back to the website again. Okay, I also wanted to let you know that if you pay for student fees and you're taking other classes, you're paying for those classes, it does give you free rides. So make sure that you show your ID and your sticker. I believe that they are still doing that, and they started that last year, but hopefully they're continuing to do that this year. So if you're a student, you can ride the bus for free. Okay, this is different places where to buy the bus tickets. Your bus passes, the bus at the bus office, at the Merced Mall, at the Los Menos Community Center, and the Student Union at California State Stanislaus. Okay. I did see something about paying cash for it. I believe that you can pay cash for it. Let's see. Is it under the electric fares card? I believe that you have to bring your own. Make sure that you have enough change, because I don't think that they'll give you change on it and you deposit your money in there. But make sure that you call and ask for that instead. So this is actually pretty cool, you know, the bus. And they are operating at this time, because I've been walking and I see the bus going around. So again, this is a great site for you to look at, and you could just tour it, you know, to your liking, for information that you may need to ride the bus. Okay, they also have it in this information in Spanish. So there you go. I'm glad you were here with me. Thank you. I will see you later.